You are welcome here. See Virva Motherboard LA-C701P. The problem is no power. See this. I installed the charger. After installing the charger, the light here glows. See here, the light is glowing, but let me show you here. After pressing the switch, what is here is not on. You can see here. I will also show you there. See, I am pressing this series, but what is on the ampere there, which is low, is not lifting the load. If the ampere is fine, then today we will repair it. How to repair, I will tell you step by step in complete detail. From today I will make a video for you in great detail, whether it takes half an hour or an hour. To understand the video in detail, you have to subscribe to my channel and watch the entire video. So let us see today how we will repair it in this condition. So first of all, let me tell you that the mother but happens schematically in this way. Schematic is needed to repair in the same way which stays with the mother but schematic, then it gets repaired well. Without tempt, today we will take out the schematics of this motherboard, which I have already taken out here. You can see here, this help here I have already taken out. So first of all, what will we check in this? So in this motherboard, we will check the cache first. First of all, you have to check the sequence of its power. So for that, you have to go down. So if we will come down, then look at it here. Sequence is more available in every schematic. Look at the sequence of this motherboard. If it is like this here, how will we check it today? I will tell you step by step in detail, so watch the video in full. I will tell you in detail how to repair the motherboard, then see this is our sequence. Alright, so see here, and I zoom in on this, then see this power rail. Okay, this you do not have to see all this at the moment. First we have the issue of power section for power. So these entire voltages should be what they are, okay? So if this voltage is risky, then if you say power rail, which one will be yours first? First of all, its own RTC VCC will be formed. Okay? Then first of all, it will be a section of RTC. Then WinCA will come, and then BAT plus battery B plus then VL here. Both your LDO free always, which is formed. The all button is formed. After pressing the part button in someone, it becomes the first in someone. Then it is written here. This is always, this is the shortcut. It is written. It means this will be done before the power button is pressed. Okay, and the power button of 3 volts is always first, meaning the voltage before pressing the power button is okay. 3 volts always AC, then after that 3 volts PC hatch. Okay, now what happens from here? This is always what is even, what is the voltage before pressing our power button. Now when we press the power button, then what we have starts from here. Well, from here our voltages all start. Okay, so now we will check this. Where is our issue? Before pressing the power button means that before pressing the power button, you have to check the voltage that is here. First of all, we will check the voltages. Okay, now this is the first voltages of RTC VCC. So okay, what will you do if you check RTC VC? Click on it, copy it, and go to search here. Paste in search. Search is fine. This is the second selected. Here. There is no point to check here. Then we will go back to another one. There is also no point to check here. Now look here. Here we have given 1 point. This is the register. Okay. This is our register. Now how will we find this register? If you see this here in the motherboard, then see here there is no such register number, etc. in the motherboard. See what happens in this case? It becomes quite difficult then to find. So now what will we do? That we will see something where what we have has come into view. Okay, now look here. This is the register. Its number will not show. Then we will do it on the next page. Now look here. This is the cell. Okay, RTC cell, which if you see in the order board here in the middle board, see the RTC cell. Okay, this RTC cell, its voltage will move forward. Then what is the voltage? Look from here. This point, this plus point has gone from here, and all the connections which are from here have come to this. Right now it has come to this from here. So you also see here, I will show you, well, if you see then what is its voltage. Sorry, you have to take a pen from the color cone. It is white, I take red. The box is also being selected, brother. Okay, then see here all these points which are here. The connection is given here. Okay, RTC bat is written here. Its connection, which is ours, is given on this. Now see here, if I take this side, then its connection, which is ours, passing from here. A register has been passed through here. Okay, this is the symbol of the register. This has been passed through the register to this diode. Okay, this is 3,000 diode, and here we look from God. This is 3,000 diode. So one which is reversed by our charger or battery. From here the voltage goes from the charger or the battery, and this voltage goes from our CMOS cell. Okay, Seamus cell means Seamus battery, which we put in for the data time. Okay, so now over here we have got the voltage. Okay, where has the voltage been found here? The voltage has been found here. Then we will find it DC van today. Go to the motherboard. Then here, if you will see, what is this DC van? If I can show you what is this DC van. See what is this DC van here. Let me remove you a CMOS battery. Well, for now there is no connection of the CMOS battery. Will we see the direct connection? The motherboard is okay, which is of our voltage. If you check it on the connections, then I will see it installed here. Okay, 4 lights have been lit here. Then see here our DC installed. See the DC van. A lab bay of DC van, like I showed you in the schematics. There will be a lab bay voltage, but if I touch it, see 1 to 3 van 3 is coming. You were told that 3VL means LDO 3.3 LDO. Okay, from this we also know that the LDO of our 3 volt before pressing the power button is being created. Okay, now we will check here. This is what is on this side. It is of the CMOS cell. So now I have removed what is the CMOS cell to explain to you. See, I am applying this on this side. Voltage is not coming on this side, and I am applying this side. There are 3 volters on this side. Now our diode has the mouth on this side, so now we need the voltage on this side also. So see here, it is 2.8 volts. Here the voltage is dropping a little bit. So let me tell further step by step. Okay, So what is over here is 2.8 volts. What are we going to do now? Now we will trace it here. If I see this, then it has gone here on coming. Okay, so for now, let me go into the schematics. Let me explain to you there again. Then I will close it for now. Okay, let's go into the schematics. So now see here, what is ours? What was coming over here? Our 3.3 volt was coming over here. Right about this? This connection was 3.3 volts coming. This is our battery. Its voltage was not coming because we had removed CMOS battery from here. Then only its voltage was going. 3.3. So now 3.3 coming over here means 2.8 coming over. Okay, here our 2.8 volt was coming. Sorry, 2.8 volt was coming. So it is low, yet it goes, there is no problem. So now what we have to do, we have to hit the surge here. Then the surge here was hitting at the end. You see the connection here. Now if I go back, then this was becoming our 2.8 volt. Now what do we have to check? This 2.8 volt is going everywhere. Okay, look everywhere, 12, 3, 4, 5. By doing this, the voltage is going to many places. So step by step, we have to check all the places. Then Brother Depley, you will be able to repair Depley. If you have to go first, then you have to check all the points. Step by step, let's go. This is becoming ours. Well, there is no connection to check here. Okay, so our fourth number came here. Now the voltage that came up here was becoming, look here, if you look, the voltage was forming even here now, brother. We need to check this point further. The voltage of the point van is coming, and we have to check the point to here too. We have to give it to us RC30, RC236. Okay, after checking RC236, they come to the boat, we come to the boat, then here is our motherboard. I installed the charger on it, the light blue from the back again. Alright. RC37, okay, then see what happens. These, most of the registers, which are not the registers of our RTC, are our registers. Where will you meet? Most of what is available will be found in this place. I will show you the details. See this place, you will find this, what is ours, this thing, this crystal. Okay, this is our motherboard, which is the motherboard of the desktop, right? This happens in a laptop with two tanks. So there is a crystal over here. Now only in the vicinity of the crystal, register what is around the crystal. There you will get all the register what is. Well, first we'll check RC236. So for now, look here, if you look carefully, RC236, then find, yes, sorry, this is the voltage, look here. RC236. See this 2.8 volts is coming. You see in the background, see there 2.8 volts is coming in the multimeter, and on the other side, which is ours, is 2.7, meaning a little bit of everything is coming because on there. The Mega Homes probably has a register over there. 1 minute. Let me see if there is a register of 330 homes. Then it makes a little difference. 2.7 and this side, which is 2.8. Okay, okay. Which comes back to schematics. Now see here that now our foot voltage is going like this here. Now next search will hit. 1234 fifth feet, which is what is written on the 6th page. PG is only the 6th page. Then on the 6th page. Now we will check the 5th. Okay, so here, if you see, then the same 2.8 volt is going here. The same 2.8 volt is going here by coming here and coming on the register, then going forward. Here too is coming on a register, then going forward. Okay, this is our PC, S artist PC, SRT, C reset and SRT reset. Okay, these two voltages are also very important, right? This has happened, this has happened. These are very important because if the voltage does not go on, your laptop will never be on. Well, many people do not know this. So if you come here and notice it, then look here. A jumper type is given here. It is visible here. If you look at it, there are two types of jumpers here. So let me show you this. Let me clear it up here. See, this is reversed from here. The jumper has gone through the register, and the one on the other side is not a jumper. Sorry. There is a checkpoint. Okay, reset the CMOS by shorting it. There are two pins in the motherboard, right? If you short both of them, then the CMOS dead time is reset, just like the testing point was given here in the laptop. Short point. Short point is spoken. Short pad is written here. Short pad is visible. Short pad, this is short pad. So now look here. This voltage has come from here. Voltage has come from here. A voltage has gone here. Okay. Such a voltage has happened ours. Now you have to find this short pad yourself. This is the second part of the short stomach. Look, there is a ground. There is a symbol of a ground. Okay. There is a symbol of a ground. So it has gone to our ground. Okay, then if we short it, then it will be short from the ground. Only then the voltage here will be low. So let's check what we see next. Now come here. Take it back to the motherboard and I will install the charger. See, the light is on. So we were just checking here. Look here. If you will notice that both the things here are short pads. Here it is given alerted. Look, C short bed OK, JC most van. And here look at JJME van OK, and come back. Schematic expire. I will clear this. Look here. J Simmers van and JME van. Okay, these are two. Then here, these voltages will be checked. Here only at this testing point. You do not need to find this register. Well, these are the two registers. You don't need to find it. We will check at this testing point. Only then the matter has become the same. Then let us check at the testing point. Okay, see here 2.8 volt is coming now. Which one is coming at? Jamie, okay, look, Jamie Van is getting 2.8 volts right now. We will see its bell. See the voltage here? You have this option, right? So it is not known. You look here. Look at the voltage, 0.43. Now, brother, your voltage will reach here. Otherwise, how will the laptop be on? The first voltage remains its own, right? So the voltage will reach here. Otherwise, how will it be on them, brother? Now, here you go to the schematics. See here at this point, brother, at this point, 0.4 volt is coming, which should be around 3 volts here, or it will also run 2.8, will also run 2.5. Then the voltage here should be at least 2.5. Now, brother, voltage is not at all. There is no voltage here, then how will it be on? RTC is reset, brother. It only needs voltage. Okay, now brother, voltage is not being formed here. So what will we do now? What is our voltage being formed on this side? Point van pay register, which is point van pay. Your voltage is becoming 2.8 volt, 2.8 volt. Now register, which is on this side, is becoming 0.4 volt. Here, how can we trace it? When this comes, then what you have to do first to trace is to check the component installed on this line. Now what component is installed on this line? If you come from here, then a capacitor is installed. Then where is it going from here? In my opinion, this direct will go to PC. So let's do one thing once. Let's check it first. Okay, what is PCRTC written? Select it and copy it once and come here and hit search. PC, HH, RT, CP, C, HH. RTC. Here one has been selected, automatic and pin 2. Now where is this brother going? Where is this going? Here, see where it is going in the CPU. Okay, PCS is installed in the CPU. And this is going in the CPU. Now you will not be able to change the CPU. Alright, let's get back to our place. If you hide, you will go to change. But how will the person learning the game be able to change now? So let's come here. Let me take this hand again. Let's come here for a second. What we have to check now is just to check this. This is the capacitor. See this? This is the capacitor written CC. The symbol of this is the symbol of the capacitor. Okay, this is the symbol of the capacitor. Okay, so let us trace this. So come again to the motherboard. Now here you have come to the motherboard. Then here you can see the track from the outside. Then you can see our track. This track, which is what it is, has entered here. Okay, it has gone inside here. So you know how to check it yourself. You have to do it in Vazar mode or in diode mode. Okay, I keep it in diode mode. So now this is what you have to keep it and check which way it beeps. Okay, where does the beep? First remove the power. I also took out the power and put it here. I am checking on diode mode. So from the Jirurana over here, okay, see here I have checked so much, but if it is not over here, then this will put this point over here. You see, I will forward it to you, skip it, or in the middle I will say something that is very good for your knowledge. Don't skip at all, give me a little time. I am giving you knowledge. I am not showing the picture. Let me see it. And then it is of no use. It is giving knowledge. You will see above and below this. I touched it here. Look, 00 has come. Then what is our connection with this thing? This thing with this thing, what is this thing? This is here. See, 00 is coming. Okay, I am removing it. I am keeping it gone. It was slow. The connection we have is given from what I showed you on the mass. What is its capacitor in the schematics? It is fine. It is not coming. This is the capacity. It is fine. This is ours. This capacitor was coming from here to this side, meaning it is ours. What will we do? They will remove the capacitor. No problem. If you want to install another one, you can. I am removing it and will install it later. I'm checking it out for now, so let's get it out. I am maintaining the temperature slightly in the medium because the CPU is on the side. See, we have removed the captor. Okay, remove the captor. Now we can see here. I have taken it out from here. So now let's blow it a little. If it gets cold, then friends, we will put it again now, charging it. I have put this on charging. Now here I will check the voting. Take it on the voting range. I touch this here again. See friends how much ball has become? Our 3 ball is fine. It was here. No. See? 3 ball has become fine. Our epicenter is the small component that was kept so suffocated, but if we return to it here on the short pad, we will touch it. Seeing this, our 3 volts have come. Okay, 3 volts have come, friend. It is completely live. I will not cut the video, but in real life I will show you that it has been half an hour. I am repairing the laptop in half an hour, if you can watch my video completely so far. Let me tell you, you don't just watch my video halfway and leave. From now on, I'll make longer videos of 1 or 1.5 hours explaining everything in complete detail. Anyone who wants to watch and learn, please do. My voice might sound a bit boring, right? In explaining, brother, look. If you go to the classes too, you will be bored there too. The teacher teaches, your person gets bored in that thing. So let's press the on button here, then look here, and it is on. Watch this live. I am telling you, look, it is going to 400, 500. Alright,